Hey guys, good morning guys. Grace and me are going for a walk, so because we still haven't got a vehicle yet back yet. It's gonna be on Tuesday, which sucks kind of sometimes, but that's okay. Good morning. So right now, we are going to the store, walking to the store, you guys, which is kind of cool that it's just walking distance. So that's what's going on right now. We're just for walking distance, so that's what's going on. Right now, you guys, we are making some cheese dogs. Yeah, we are making some cheese dogs. It's so good right now, but it's gonna be good afterwards. Tastes so good. These dogs look so good. So right now, you guys, we got a treat.
My parents are amazing. They sponsored this treat.
Yeah, so that's what's going on. Grace eating ice cream.
Apparently she likes mommy and daddy's more than mommy's.
Because it's cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. Draw the spoon. There we go. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are live streaming on Twitch and I'm updating some thumbnails, you guys. Yes, I am updating some thumbnails to make it cool and really challenging sometimes. Some of my thumbnails needs to be switched around to make it stand out a little bit more, so that's kind of what we are doing. But I don't know, it is fun and exciting. Ooh, okay, 4th edition, that's cool. Change that a little bit, so that's what we are having. Chicken taco.
Okay guys, so look who I accidentally awakened. I had a really bad sneeze attack and I woke her up.
Yeah, she's wide awake.
And daddy gets to sleep.
No. Got taking responsibility for both of us.
But yeah, so Gracie is awake and she's magnetized to mama. But yeah, that's okay.
Bye! So right now, you guys, we are changing some thumbnails, and here's some thumbnails that we are working on. So I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't seen any of them videos, make sure you guys check out my main channel. It's gonna be in the description. It's always gonna be in the description. Changing some stuff around so you guys can see really cool thumbnails. So let's go down to and see you guys back here in the future. Have a good day. Goodbye.